Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add filters to our data and how that is going to affect our diagrams. We need to connect to a data set. It is this file, company A office supplies. Double click on this file and we already connected to our data. Let's switch to the sheets. Let's drag and drop location to columns and cells to rows. And we see here that we have the cells for all the states. We can sort them in the descending order. And let's say that we need to see only some of these states. So let's learn how to add a filter to our diagrams. If you want to filter your data based on the states or the location here, drag and drop location into filters. And give you the choice to keep all the states, or you can select the state you want. So I will keep all the state in this case. And this is the general. You can go to wildcard and you can add some formula if you want to, or you can add a condition, or you can select the top 10 or the bottom. So let's go back to general and click on OK. And now we are added our data filter. But the data filter is not showing in our legend. So to do that, click on this arrow and click on show filter. Once you did that, you have all the states or all the values here. Deselect all and you can select only the states that you want. You can add them one by one. So this is the very basic way to use filters. Let's now add another filter based on the cells. So drag and drop cells here. And in this case, you will find a different type of filter because this is a measure, so you will get different window. Click on next, and now you have an option to change the cells volume. You want to see only the cells based on a certain volume. So you can, for example, drag the minimum, and you can also adjust the maximum, but we'll keep the maximum as it is. Also, you can use some other ways to filter like at least, at most, or spatial. So let's go to the range and let's get the minimum. So we want to get the minimum to be this amount. Click and apply, OK. And let's go back and select all the states. And let's show this filter if you want. So click on show filter and you got this filter. This time you can adjust the filter from here. So if you adjust the filter, you can see different values appearing here based on the cells volume. You can remove location, for example, and add period. So now you can filter your data based on the date. Click on next and you have the same filter here. And you can either change the range of dates, starting date, ending date, or special. And in special you can select null dates, non-null dates, or all dates. So we'll go back to the range, click on OK, and you can show your filter. Click on show the filter and you have the period filter here. And you can change the title. Click on this arrow and you can click on edit title. And for example, you can call this filter adjust date. Click on OK. And you can move the filter from here and you put it here if you want. So that's simply how you can add filter to your data and diagrams.